Hello and welcome back, everybody. We're going to start off by writing just our 6s and our 7s. I'm going to give you a minute to go ahead and do so. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Let's chant our 6s as we erase it. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54, 60, now don't laugh, haha, 66, 72, we're great at 6s math. Let's count our 7s as we erase them. Here we go. 7, 14, 21, now, 28, 35, please don't have a cow, move, 42, 49, next is the fave, 56, 63, 70, wave, 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting 7s is really lots of fun. Nice job, everybody. We're now going to go ahead and write our 8s and our 9s. I'm going to give you a minute to go ahead and do so. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Let's go ahead and chant our 8s as we erase them. Here we go. 8, 16, 24, yes. 32, 40, 48, don't guess. 56, 64, almost there. 72, 80, comb your hair. 88, 96, we're counting 8s with flair. Now let's chant our 9s as we erase them. 9, 18, 27, what? 36, 45, do the king tut. 54, 63, 72, word. 81, 90, flap like a bird. 99, 108, the 9s are what you heard. Nice job, everybody. The next thing I'd like you to do is go ahead and copy down this problem. 6,429 times 9. I'm going to go ahead and give you a minute and a half to solve that problem. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. The very first one we have to multiply is 9 times 9. Let's chant. 9, 18, 27, what? 36, 45, do the king tut. 54, 63, 72, word. 81. 1 goes down here, and we're going to add our 8. Next, we're going to multiply 9 times 2, 9, 18. Then we're going to count on the 8. So that's 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. We're going to move our 6 down and add our 2. Next, we're going to do 9 times 4. 9, 18, 27, what? 36. And then add 37, 38. We're going to put down our 8 and carry our 3. Finally, we're going to do 9 times 6. 9, 18, 27, what? 36, 45. Do the king tut. 54. And then add our 3, 55, 56, 57. So our answer is 57,861. Nice job, everybody. Let's go ahead and chant our 9s as we erase it. 9, 18, 27, what? 36, 45, do the king tut. 54, 63, 72, word. 81, 90, flap like a bird. 99, 108, the 9s are what you heard. Nice job. The very next thing I'd like you to do is copy down these mixed numbers, and I'm going to give you a minute to change them into improper fractions. When you do, remember that you multiply the whole number times the denominator and then add the top. All right, so we have 3 and 2 sevenths, 6 and 5 ninths, and 7 and 3 eighths. I'm going to give you a minute. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Let's check our work. We've got to do 3 times 7, 7, 14, 21. Then add our 2, 22, 23. So our answer is 23 over 7. Remember, we keep the same denominator. The next one, we do 6 times 9. 9, 18, 27, what? 36, 45. Do the king tut. 54. Plus 5, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I don't think I counted that right. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. We stop at 59 over 9. There we go. All right, finally we have got 7 times 8. 7, 14, 21 now, 28, 35. Please don't have a cow. Move. 42, 49. Next is the fave. 56, 57, 58, 59. This one is also 59 over 8. Now, usually you want to count by the biggest number, but you can count by the other number too. It doesn't matter which one you count by because you're going to get the same answer both ways. Nice job. I'm going to go ahead and chant my 9s as I erase. 9, 18, 27, what? 36, 45, do the king tut. 54, 63, 72, word. 81, 90, flap like a bird. 99, 108, the 9s are what you heard. Nice job, everybody. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a problem. I'd like you to go ahead and change this improper fraction into a mixed number. You're going to do 60 divided by 9. I'm going to give you a minute. Don't forget to count by 9s until you get to 60 as close as you can without going over. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. You have a minute. Nice job. Let's count by nines without going over 60. 9, 18, 27, what? 36, 45, do the king tut. 54, 63. Oops, 63 is too high. So we're going to start here with 5, 6. 9 times 6. 9, 18, 27, what? 36, 45, do the king tut. 54. 54. So we got to do 60 minus 54. Big numbers on the bottom. 4 is bigger than 0. You have to borrow. So that 0 becomes a 10 and the 6 becomes a 5. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So it's 6 and 6 over 9. There you go. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and check your work. We're going to go ahead and chant as we erase. 9, 18, 27, what? 36, 45, do the king tut. 54, 63, 72, word. 81, 90, flap like a bird. 99, 108, the nines are what you heard. The very next thing we're going to do is I'm going to write 3 mixed numbers. And I would like you to change these fractions into decimals, please. And I'll give you 30 seconds to go ahead and do that. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Here we go. This is 2 and 17 hundredths. So 2 is the whole number, and we put the decimal. Here in the fraction there are 2 zeros, so we draw 2 lines behind the decimal to show 2 place values, and we write in 17. So it's 2 and 17 hundredths. Nice job. This one is 1 and 8 thousandths. 1 and 1 is the whole number, so it becomes a number before the decimal. We have 3 zeros in 1,000, so we draw 3 lines behind the decimal to show 3 place values. We place the 8 and fill in the other 2 place values with zeros. If you had this right here, this is 1 and 800 thousandths. If you had this one right here, this is 1 and 80 thousandths. Okay? Nice job. This final one, we don't have a number out front, so we're going to put a 0 with the decimal. This one is 38 over 1,000. We draw 3 lines to show the 3 place values, which equals the 3 zeros. And we're going to fill it in with 38 and fill in 0 in the empty spot, 38 thousandths. If you had this right here, this one says 380 thousandths. So make sure that you're putting your numbers in the right place. Nice job, everybody. Let's go ahead and chant as we erase. 9, 18, 27, what? 36, 45, do the king tut. 54, 63, 72, word. 81, 90, flap like a bird. 99, 108, the nines are what you heard. Nice job, everybody. So we have 14 and 2 tenths. We have 8 and 47 hundredths, and we have 18 thousandths. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to write all those as fractions or mixed numbers. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Here we go. In this first one, 14 will be the whole number. and then we have 2/10. 2 will go on top. There's one number behind the decimal, so that means we're going to have 1 0. So 2/10. Nice job. Here the whole number will be 8. We know 47 will go on top. There are 2 numbers behind the decimal, so that means we need 2 zeros. So it's 8 and 47 hundredths. Finally, we don't have a number as a whole number here except 0, so we don't write anything. We do put 18 on top though. We count the numbers. There's 1, 2, 3 digits behind the decimal, so that means we need 3 zeros in the fraction denominator, so 18 thousandths. Nice job, everybody. Let's go ahead and chant our nines. 9, 18, 27, what? 36, 45, do the King Tut. 54, 63, 72, word. 81, 90, flap like a bird. 99, 108, the nines are what you heard. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to compare decimals. Okay, so we've done this a few times already. I'm going to go ahead and set up a few problems. I'd like you to copy them down and then compare them. Here we go. All right, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go ahead and compare those. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Here on the first one we have 17 and 8/10, 8 and 9/10. We're going to look at the numbers in front of the decimal first. So we have 17 and 8. 17 is larger than 8. So 17 and 8/10 is greater than 8 and 9/10. Here these numbers both have zeros in front, so we're going to see the numbers after the decimal. There's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They both have the same number of digits, so we'll just read them. This one says 47. This one says 470. 470 is larger. So we would say 47 thousandths is less than 470 thousandths. Nice job. This next one, they both have zeros in the front, so we have to look at the numbers behind the decimal. This one's got 3 digits. This one only has 1, so we have to add to equate. So this one now has 3. So we have 271 thousandths and 300 thousandths. 300 thousandths is greater than, so we would say 271 thousandths is less than 300 thousandths. Nice job, everybody. Let's go ahead and erase. Chant our nines. 9, 18, 27, what? 36, 45, do the King Tut. 54, 63, 72, word. 81, 90, flap like a bird. 99, 108, the nines are what you heard. The next thing we're going to learn today is something new. What we're going to be doing is working on expanded form with decimals. Okay? So if we were to read this right here, this says 27 hundredths. We know that because there are 2 numbers here, and 100 has got 2 zeros in it. When we split this up, we need to write it in expanded form. If you remember, expanded form is just like this. 137, that would be 100 plus 30 plus 7. So this right here is just to remind your brain what expanded form means. If we are going to write this in expanded form, we need to split up each one of these numbers, just like we do here with the 1, the 3, and the 7. So we would put 2 over. This is 10th. It's the first number 1 0. The second one would be 7 over 100. So if we were to turn this into an actual fraction, this would look 27 over 100. Okay? But we're not turning it into a fraction. We're writing expanded form. We're stretching that number out into each one of its place values. Let's go ahead and erase this and we'll try a few more, okay? Now when you do this, you have to pay attention to all of the place values. If there's anything in front of the decimal, you do that first and then you do everything after the decimal. So let me give you another example. We have 14 and 63 hundredths. We're going to do the 1 first. This 1 is in the tens place value. This is 1, this is tens. Okay, so we would write 10. This 4 is in the 1 place value, so we do 10 plus 4. Once you hit this decimal, everything to the right has to be in fraction form. So this next one is going to be 6 over, this is the first place value, so there's 1 0. So it's 6 tenths. Then we're going to do 3 hundredths. And there you have it. Go ahead and take a look at that. See if that makes sense. Thank you so much for all your attention today. Don't forget that there's extra practice available after the video. You have a good rest of your day and we'll see you next time. Thank you.